Okay guys, I'm going to give you guys a update. As you guys know, my car's in the shop. It's getting fixed right now. I want to show you some of the turbo parts I have for the turbo build, even though it's going to be a while. Got the autoboost manifold. This is one of the parts. I'm keeping this one. This one's brand new. The oil lines, treadstone for the turbo. I have this. I'll be keeping these as well. It's all in the bag. There goes that. Got the TR8 intercooler. It's brand new. Person I bought it from had it sitting for a while. This is also a keeper. The brackets for it. Then 630 Deka injectors. They're used already with about 3,000 miles. With the pigtails. These are for sale. So if you're interested in some 630cc injectors, message me, PM me. I have these to get rid of. But yep. As soon as my car gets fixed, I'll give you guys an update. I still have more turbo parts to show you guys. I have almost a full kit, but there's parts that I'm trading and parts that I'm keeping and selling. And the injectors are one part that I'm selling from this stuff here. Well, that's it. I'll try to get you guys the other videos of my other parts soon. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.